first tip when diffusing, use your hands as a tool to lift up roots and have the dryer facing down, rotating it to get all angles of that root so you get some nice lift here. Tip number 2 is to bring your head from side to side and get different angles of holding up your roots as well. Tip number 3, swing your head. Let your hair settle down. A lot of your hair is going to push to the front, and that's what's going to give you front volume. Don't forget about your back. So shimmy side to side, bring the diffuser into the back of the head here. What I recommend is the first tip, using your hands as a tool. The second tip, coming over to the side, getting your hair into different directions, creating different airflow. And the third tip, shaking your head and shimmying it in different directions, whether that be upside down or facing upward. So then your hair falls in its natural state and it gives you natural bounce. Your dryer does matter. I use the Dyson Pro, and your diffuser matters as well. Try to get a diffuser that has a really fat face, so the circle of it will be wider. So then that way there's more airflow. Diffusing doesn't have to take much time, and it doesn't have to be a big task. It's just a little bit of awareness changes the whole game. Okay, be well.